Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain why did England restore its monarchy. Focus on causes: political fatigue, desire for order, and pragmatic elites. I will walk through how exhausted factions sought stability after civil conflict, how economic pressures pushed for predictable governance, and how compromises produced a constitutional framework that limited royal power. Listen for clear links between public sentiment, elite bargaining, and long-term institutional change as we unpack the key reasons. The political case is straightforward and tells much of the story. After prolonged conflict and experimental governance, many leaders and ordinary people favored a single recognized authority to reduce violence and restore order. Military regimes lost legitimacy, while parliamentary experiments revealed instability. Influential negotiators brokered a settlement that returned a monarch, but constrained power through laws and expectations. This compromise helped end political fragmentation and allowed other social habits and economic incentives played a crucial role in the restoration. Merchants and landowners pressed for consistent courts and predictable taxation so commerce could rebound. Ordinary people, tired of strict moral regimes, supported a return to familiar cultural rhythms. Together, these forces incentivized elites to choose a visible, ceremonial sovereign who could legitimize governance while modern institutions handled daily rule. That balance helped revive markets and calm social tensions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.